In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the VidIQ Thumbnail Generator. Creating eye-catching thumbnails is an essential part of making your videos stand out on YouTube, and VidIQ offers a fantastic tool to help make this process easier and more effective. Let's dive right into the step-by-step guide on how you can utilize this tool to its fullest potential. First, you'll want to start by navigating to the VidIQ website. Open up your preferred web browser and head over to VidIQ's platform. Once you're on the site, you'll need to log into your account. If you don't have one yet, make sure to sign up so you can access all the great features VidIQ has to offer. Next, once you're logged in, look for the More Tools option. This is where you'll find additional features that VidIQ provides. Clicking on this will open up a menu with a variety of tools. The one we're interested in today is the Thumbnails option, so go ahead and click on that. Now, you'll be taken to the Thumbnail Generator page. Here, you'll see a search bar prominently displayed. This is where you can describe the type of thumbnail you want to create. Think about the elements you want to include. Maybe it's a specific color scheme, or perhaps certain text or imagery that aligns with your video content. Be as descriptive as possible to help the tool generate a thumbnail that matches your vision. Alternatively, if you've already got an image from your video that you'd like to use, VidIQ makes it easy to enhance that existing image. You can attach an image directly from your video to the thumbnail generator. This can be a great way to maintain consistency with your video content and make sure your thumbnail is directly relevant to what viewers will see. Once you've either described your desired thumbnail or attached an image, the tool will generate a selection of thumbnails for you to choose from. Take your time to review the options and select the one that best fits your needs. Remember, a great thumbnail can significantly impact your video's click-through rate, so choose wisely. And that's it! You've successfully used the VidIQ Thumbnail Generator to create a compelling thumbnail for your video. With these steps, you can consistently produce eye-catching thumbnails that will attract more viewers to your content. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it empowers you to create even more engaging video content. Thanks for watching and happy thumbnail making!